Yeah, family. So we actually gonna go out to actually eat, right?
Yes.
We're gonna go out to eat and do some shopping, family. We just wake up and we're gonna go to eat and do some shopping. And this is what we're wearing today.
Yes.
Yeah, family. That's the outfit of the day, and this is my outfit of the day. I'm actually wearing a Tanzania shirt today, family, as you can see. I'm wearing a Tanzania shirt. And you see you're gonna call them to do the cleaning, right?
Yeah,
Do the room service.
Why I have to keep calling.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, family, so let me know how you like this Tanzania shirt. I'm gonna do some shopping. And what you say you want to buy today?
Lots of goodies.
Lots of goodies like what?
I didn't buy my clothes yesterday, so
You didn't buy your clothes, okay.
that's what we are doing. And I also want to look for curtains.
Curtains. All the way from Tanzania come for curtains. Why is that?
Because I love the quality.
Just because you see the curtain here in the hotel. So she said she rating it and say, oh, curtains in Tanzania is better than Kenya. So she want to get curtains.
Kenya, if you want curtains, not unless you import, so
Yeah.
that's the same thing I'm gonna do.
Yeah, family. So let's go. Let's go back to. We're going back to Lukman to eat, and then we're gonna to the lady here to clean. See, she just right here now. Yeah, she just at room 24. Yeah, she at that next door us. Maybe you just tell her or something. Yeah. Yeah, sure. I guess we can just go there and tell her. Yeah, family. So let's go catch a tuk tuk. Let's go. Can you fold that bag?
Of course.
You're lying. I want to see you fold that bag.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see you fold it. And you put it in the bag, right? I guess there's a side there for it. So this is the bag that we're going with to shop, family. So come, let's shop with us.
I want to find sweet curtains because God knows I'll carry them.
Yeah?
I'd rather leave some things. I'd rather not buy clothes.
And go with the curtain.
Go with curtains. You know a house is for a woman, that's what we say.
Yeah.
And I feel like a man can just stay in just a house. But for
A man
me,
can just stay with just a mattress and a bed and
then,
that's it.
And then I'm like you right now when I tell you I want curtains, you'd be like, well, the house has curtains, right?
Yeah.
But me, I want to change.
So guys, we was in at Hotel Vad, room 23. We was here, room 23. Yeah, family. So we actually checking out now to get a tuk tuk to go to eat and to actually go forward, sweetie. To go shopping.
Habari?
That's mango. Poa Asana.
I can barely open my blood in my eye.
Why?
The
Breeze is so cool. Yeah, families, as you can see, we have to go on the other side. The breeze is so cool, not true? Follow more. Yeah, family, so let's go and catch a tuk tuk.
And he's riding motorbike.
So what you say you observe with Kenya, the difference between tuk tuk driver, it's border and Kenya, and here it's what? What do you call it here?
It's still border.
Still border.
Yeah.
But you're saying that the border here is very clean.
The motorbike and the tuk-tuk, the drivers,
They are
they
clean.
look nice. Yeah,
They are cleaner than the one in Kenya, family. So
Right.
that's what we noticed.
They are that.
Yeah. And the reason for that, people in Tanzania don't wear matumba. We burn out matumba, we burn out pupina, burn out wear and left, we burn out all broke. So if you're still buying matumba, I don't know, because I don't understand somebody wearing somebody else like sweat. That's like a hold down.
They even panty
You know
matumba.
what I mean? Yeah.
Panty. Now what I hate in Kenya is that there is panties, there is bra. Daddy, you can get a full outfit.
Right.
That's so
Yeah, family, so we get a tuk tuk. And
Good.
a barry. Two can hold in front. I never know that thing.
in the
Only the
antique
soup can hold the stuff. Take it
Once
and,
in Cuisine, yeah, which go with this one at the airport.
and then
Look like an
look like what? Yeah, family, so we get a tuk tuk, and as I said, tuk tuk in Zanzibar is very clean. You know, I don't have to make them here. But it's very clean. So we are on our way to Lukman family, and it's like 5 hours in this tuk tuk. On our way to Lukman. Those grapes. Let's buy some of the grapes. Jam Tours Africa. Touring out. Yeah. Wow. It's nice. You can try it tomorrow. Yeah. Let's try it tomorrow. I'll see. Yeah, we'll try it tomorrow. Zanzibar. Me a bar down a Zanzibar. Yeah, family. So we had Lukman, as you can see. Lukman Swahili cuisine. That's a tuk tuk. Yeah? So let's enter. This guy always here. So it's a second day at Lukman. Second day. Start with the smoothie bowl. You want something different?
No, we check the menu, we check the smoothie again.
Yeah, families, as you can see, fresh pineapple. That's fresh banana. And we have fresh smoothie.
I'll do pineapple banana.
Pineapple banana. I'll try the tamarind mango. Avocado passion.
You want that too?
Yeah, I'll try, yeah.
This.
Yeah. Yeah, family, so we're getting some fresh juice.
Hello. Tamarind mango. Uko nayo?
Do you have any?
Umesema? You have tamarind mango. It doesn't have tamarind.
Avocado.
Avocado passion. Iko. And pineapple banana. Yeah.
Let me have the watermelon, mango.
Yeah, watermelon mango. Watermelon mango. Oh, iko.
Let me try the jackfruit.
Jackfruit shake. Yeah, the jackfruit shake. Jackfruit shake.
Let me just get that. So we just wait on it and pay and then sit down and then maybe we can look for the same waiter
Yeah.
and then make she serve us. You want to sit upstairs this time? So she come in?
I don't know. Maybe she has some. You want like yesterday, no? We'll change.
Yeah, we'll change, but I'll show you.
You want to show right now?
Come on, let's find a seat first. This is Lukman family, Lukman. This is very full today.
Let's sit here first.
And wait, right? Yeah, family. So, the same waiter that served us yesterday. Actually, you know, the place is so packed, so full. So we're actually just trying to get a seat. What do you like in the juice so far?
It's nice.
Yeah, family. So, let's go. See what they have today.
I'll take this. This is pilau.
Yeah?
This is pilau.
Yeah.
Take pilau.
Okay, you just tell her what you want. What else is you want? Samosa?
Yeah, I'll take samosa.
Okay. That's right. That also take a fish. Yeah. Oh, look at the banana. take some of this. Wow, what kind of fish is that one? We should maybe change to take this one.
That one.
Oh, this is wings. Look at these wings. Here she is. Okay. I'll just take that fish. Yeah? No. I want that fish.
Fish and that's much of it.
Yeah, and I want a chapati. Cassava leaf.
Cassava leaf.
The cassava leaf. Yeah, the banana, yeah. Tofu. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go up. I don't know. So let's see if we can find some seed. Let's go up and see. Chapati. Yeah, family. So this is actually upstairs. Upstairs, look, man. There's no seat.
Because I just sit down. And down.
Well, but that's where the people, everybody taking them out of sleep. Where you want to sit. Like people will be just in your food. Eh? I will just sit and wait until tell that guy to organize. Yeah? Hi, what's up? Are you good? I'm good, yeah. Just looking for a seat to place our order already. But there's a seat upstop, sweetie, but it has a lot of plate on it. Yeah, yeah. That's it right there. There's nobody there, but it has a lot of plate is on it. A lot of yeah, I can't miss it. But let's tell him see that there's a yeah. I feel like these people are going first or soon. I guess we just sit and wait.
Just sit down and wait. I feel like trying this bag of it.
Yeah. Yeah, family, so we finally get a seat upstairs. Huh? Four times. Yeah, it's a nice spot. Yeah, family, so we're here at Lukman. Finally get a spot and I'm enjoying this juice. Yeah. So sweetie, how are you enjoying it now? Feel like I might enjoy today's food? You will. Come on, thank you. Yeah, family, so we have to move from that seat because there was a bad smell. There was a bad smell that is there, and I couldn't take that smell, so I had to come downstairs, and that smell is actually blocked, so I can enjoy the food. Hey family, so the food is here. You can take it, sweetie. Yeah, take it up. It's heavy? Okay. Thank you. So let me go and wash my hands, sweetie. I will be eating with my hands. Yeah. I don't know you could pass. This family, so we have some, in Jamaica we call this rundown. But in Kenya and East Africa it's matoka in. Coconut milk. So nice. Rundown. Fish. Cassava leaf. Yeah, family. So we finished the food. The food was nice. You say you want to get samosa. Yeah, family. This is actually Lukman. Lukman restaurant. Zanzibar. We are part.